To overdraft a PNC account, you need to understand what overdraft services are and how to turn them on. Overdraft services allow you to withdraw more money from your account than you have, with the bank covering the difference. First, you need to have a PNC account, such as a checking account. If you don't have one, you can open it online or visit a local branch. Once you have an account, you can turn on overdraft services. You can do this online by logging into your PNC online banking account and going to the account settings page. Look for the Overdraft Services section and select the option to turn on overdraft protection. You will be asked to link a backup account, such as a savings account or credit card, to cover any overdrafts. Alternatively, you can visit a local PNC branch and speak with a representative to turn on overdraft services. They will guide you through the process and help you link a backup account. It is essential to understand the fees associated with overdraft services. PNC charges a fee for each overdraft transaction, and you may also be charged interest on the overdrafted amount. Make sure you understand these fees before turning on overdraft services. To avoid overdraft fees, it is recommended to keep a close eye on your account balance and make sure you have sufficient funds before making a transaction. You can also set up low balance alerts to notify you when your account balance falls below a certain amount. In summary, to overdraft a PNC account, you need to turn on overdraft services by logging into your online banking account or visiting a local branch. Make sure you understand the fees associated with overdraft services and keep a close eye on your account balance to avoid overdraft fees. By following these steps, you can overdraft your PNC account and access the funds you need.